Hello. So in this video, we're going to make a vector t-shirt design. So right now I generated a realistic image from Leonardo. So this is the prompt that I use. Lion portrait wearing coffee hat, sunglasses, Rasta style, dreadlocks hair. So I think this is what I'm going to use. So we need to download this. Okay, next step we're going to come here on the pixnova.ai. So it's free and unlimited. We can unlimited generated. So we're going to make a sticker. So from here, sticker generator. So this one, can the sticker be used for commercial marketing? Of course, fully supported, no restrictions. So it's safe to use. So the good thing here is no need to log in. So we can generate unlimited. So we need to upload here the image as a reference. Okay, now so just copy here what we put here. I'm going to remove this, maybe head, copy and paste, generate. Okay, it's generated now. We'll see. That's good. Okay, I'm going to download this. I will try another one, maybe a cute. Maybe we are going to make for kids. Generate again. So it's here now, the cartoon style, cute. It's also good. So I will download. So next step, we are going to convert this one into vector. So we will vectorize this. So here in Raycraft, we have 50 points. This is a maximum per day. So we can do 50 edits per day. You can generate here, but you need to become a premium account so to use commercially. But if you're free, we can use this one to vectorize the images. So for this one, we'll select this, vectorize. It's vectorized now, but 109 colors. So I need to reduce. I think we'll try 11. Then export SVG. It's a vectorized file. Okay, next step, illustrator. So new. We're going to use this 4500 5400 by 300. Create. Okay, then open the SVG that we downloaded. So this is now the loaded file. It's very easy to edit this. Okay, very fast. Right click, group, then edit cut, then we're going to place it here. Control V and resize. So this one you can use and you can put the text if you want. So like a reggae. So even if you don't know how to design, you can create easily immediately using this one. Even using a realistic image. Even your face you can use, or your pets. Maybe you're doing a personalized Shopify store. For example, mugs for t-shirt designs. personalized or picture frame. So you can use it here. So it's very easy. So the good thing about here, no login, no need to log in, unlimited use. So you can generate many vectorized design using this combo, Pixnova and Recraft. Then you can edit in editing software that you're using, like Illustrator. Okay, next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.